Now, with the focus now on the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, one local schoolboy cricket coach is worried that his sport is being left behind. Kirkland Bailey, the head coach of Excelsior High School, is concerned with the absence of competitive cricket locally. Intersecondary School Sports Association, ISA, made the decision to suspend all competitions due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Since then, there has been no cricket competition at the schoolboy level or otherwise in Jamaica. This is of great concern to head coach of Excelsior High School cricket team, Kirkland Bailey.
Players need time and games to develop. They need to be able to handle situations in real time to conquer them and to develop and build themselves as a complete player. And with the inactivity, it has hampered Jamaica's cricket, and by and large, I think the West Indies cricket greatly, because it is widely noted that when Jamaica does well, the West Indies tends to follow.
That concern is shared by national selector Junior Bennett, who says the real effect could be felt in the coming years.
We have the concern about it. It is 2 seasons now, no junior cricket, no under 14, under 16 headlock cup in the country. At the JCA level, that will have impacted also under 13, under 15, under 17, and under 19 program. We have absolutely no competitive cricket or training have taken place. So there's no developmental program over the last 2 seasons, and definitely going to impact our youth cricket, especially at the under 15 level. Because Jamaica Cricket Association 2 years ago ran an under 13 cricket competition, which was very successful. But since that time, those guys have not played any form of cricket since that, and definitely have a negative impact on our cricket. So definitely, it is something we have to be very, very concerned about.
There's also the fear that schoolboy cricket might not recover from the pandemic, given a developing trend over the last decade.
Cricket is quite expensive, and the numbers of the participating schools have been dwindling consistently over the years. And this will provide some school administrations another excuse where they can now filter out cricket out the program because it has already taken a 2-season break. But in a school like mine, where Excelsior is concerned, the cricket history is strong, so we will always play most likely. But there are some schools that will filter out and use this as an opportunity to take themselves away quietly.
Bennett, who is also a former national senior team coach, says this has not gone unnoticed by the JCA.
You don't have a youth program, like, for example, you don't have no competitive cricket at the under 19 level. It simply means you're going to have less players moving up to the senior team level. So I think we have to react to it. The concern have been raised with the Jamaica Cricket Association, and they are looking into starting an under 23 program. And I believe that will definitely bridge a gap between the senior team and the under 19 team.
It's believed that ISA had explored playing a T20 competition as a means of getting players active.